Hi everyone, Crafty Sensei here. I'm going to show you some items that my mother and I made for a family reunion that we had in August of 2018. So here are 4 items that we made and we'll show you through these. So, we thought Wed Lake Family Reunion, that's the name. It was August in Nova Scotia, and of course we made these. What I like about them is, it was August, it was hot. We figured, why not make some fans? We found a lot of stuff on Pinterest, so we gave it a try, and they're pretty cute. But then we just wrote some stuff on it. So all we did was take some cardstock. We found some images that we liked, and we just created this design on our own. So we just put the date, where, and what it was that this was made for. And then we just put, like branches of a tree, our lives grow in different directions, yet our roots remain as one. So then we put our grandparents' picture on there, or our great-grandparents, or for whoever else is there, mom and dad. So that's who we did this for, in memory of, because they couldn't be there with us since they passed. So we made these fans, and we just got like the popsicle sticks at Michael's, and we just cut out in the shape that we wanted, and that's how we made those. That's relatively easy. We just glued the 2 pieces together, and voila, you have a nice fan. Okay, so that's the first one. Then my mom came up with this idea of treats in a bag. So all we did was just get smaller Ziploc bags, and we just did a little tag that goes on top, and we just stapled it. So it just says, welcome to the Wed Lake Family Reunion. And on the other side, it says, families are like fudge, mostly sweet, with a few nuts. And then we put Wed Lake Creations 2018. So we thought that was pretty cute, and nice little treats in there. So that's that one. Let's move that out of the way. Our next one is this little heart, and then I cut out with a punch. Actually, it was a die that we used, and just a little doily. So on the back, we put blooming expressions. Plant this heart in your garden, and larkspur flowers will bloom year after year in the memory of, and we put the family reunion. So this little heart, you can actually plant it and it will bloom. So we made a bunch of these, and then we just put some of the little ribbon here, and we just put some embellishments on, little beads and that on it. Thought that added a little twist to it. And so they can bloom, plant just this heart, and then voila. I thought it was a great little idea. You can reuse the flower piece if you wanted, if someone doesn't like throwing stuff away. And the doily could be used for your tea or coffee at home, and everything can be used. So we had that. And then this one was a really, really creative idea. I saw this on Pinterest. I saw it in several different spots, but this was really cool and unique. So we did a bracelet in the family name in Morse code. So it would be Wed Lake, and every slash, it was between each letter. So this is it here. So the longer space bars, we use that as a slash. And then we use silver for the, I think these were for the dots. And then we used the gold for maybe the longer pieces. So each bead has a representation of a letter, a digit, like the code itself. So the gold here, we just added some on the end. My mom made all of these ones here. So she did a really good job with them, and they're on the stretchy cord, so they fit cute. They're not too tight. Some of them were smaller because we had kids. Some of them, were a little bigger. Yeah, so then you just stick that, cut little holes in there, just little slits, and there you go. And again, the same thing, we just picked, we did this online, and we just created a design, and then we printed it on cardstock. We just put multiple on one page, and we came up with that. And then we put them in little baggies. And then when we had the big dinner, We got everyone together and then we told everyone to take what they wanted. So we had some stuff left over, and you know, some stuff is not for everybody, but we thought it was a cute little idea, and it kept us busy for several months with projects in the craft room. So I hope you like it.